New Year's Eve tragedy as 6-year-old drowns in Clarendon. People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. It has been a somber start to the new year for one Clarendon family whose 6-year-old child drowned during a trip to a river yesterday. Little Masco Dean Foster of Lampard District in Frankfield was playing with a group of boys in the Rio Minho when he reportedly got into difficulties. They were not being supervised by an adult. The police say they were called to the scene about 2 p.m. and the boy's body removed from the water. Deputy Mayor of Maypen and Councillor for the Frankfield Division, Clive Mundell, was saddened by the tragedy. He is urging parents to fulfill their responsibility to ensure their children's safety, as rivers which often do not have lifeguards. So yes, people, a 6-year-old drowned in the Rio Minho yesterday, people. And this is just a tragic way to start the new year. The family members of this young boy is mourning at the moment, people. So people must have to take this time out for telling us, say, yo, if you not got the river within the kids, please be responsible. Please pay attention to them, especially if they're that age. Because when kids are that age, them tend to do things when it make sense. You see me? I have a 6-year-old and sometimes them do things where no make sense. It's just you as a parent, you're supposed to dare to guide them and make sure them are traveling and are going at the right path. You see me, people? People just be careful and have a blessed new year. My condolences goes out to the family members. Jano, people.